Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. In today's video, we will be doing something a little different. We have a special guest with us today. So if you want to see the plan with me, just continue to watch. All right, guys, thank you so much for returning to my channel. As I tell you guys all the time, I appreciate each and every one of you. I know it looks a little different. My hands are off to the side because today we have a special guest and I'm so excited about this guest. I want to introduce to you guys my Valentine, and this seems perfect for our Valentine spread. So I want to introduce you to my Valentine, my boo, my hubby, Damien. Say hi, Damien.
Hey everyone.
I know it's weird to like put your hands, right?
Yes.
You're used to me. Hello. So he's here with us today and he is going to be doing the plan with me. I am literally just supervising from the side. He's super nervous. So you guys be super kind. I don't want to fight y'all in my comments over my husband. Don't do that.
Please be nice.
Please be nice. He's super nervous. He did this entire spread himself. We did use wax paper today, so that it was a lot easier, and of course that's more comfortable for someone that is new. So he's going to do the plan with me today. So let's get started and let's tell everyone what we've used or what we'll be using in our video. So go ahead, Damien.
Today we are using Coco's Vision, Chandra and Coco's Vision Lance.
These dolls are available on cocosvisionshop.com. And if you use the code Angie, it'll save you 15% off of your order. Okay, what else do we have?
We're also using Happy Planner Essential Holidays.
Okay, so we're using some Valentine stickers out of that book. And what else?
And Live Love Posh Bright Blooms.
And this sticker book came out of their Lush Bloom set, but I do believe that you can still purchase the individual sticker book on their website. All right, so you can pass the books to me if you want, and we will get started. Let's tell them what days of the week we are working on.
We are working on the week of February 10th through the 16th.
Yeah, so this is this upcoming week. And of course, Friday is Valentine's Day. So I'm so happy to have my Valentine with me. I talk about him all the time. Y'all know he's the reason why I can't put my Christmas tree up early. Remember when I was dogging him out to everybody? He's here. He's in the hot seat today. So yes, if y'all could see his face, if you can see his face right now, he is so like nervous and I'm putting him on the spot, but I know that you will do good. So let's go. Okay. Let's, what side of the page do you want to start on?
I'm going to start on the left side.
All right, let's make it simple. I'll go ahead and move this page out the way for right now. And then you'll just decorate from what we've already pre-picked out.
Okay. I am going to start with the corner here. I feel like this makes sense. I'm going to start with the corner.
Do whatever you are comfortable with.
And if this is crooked, don't blame me.
We'll blame your nerves.
Definitely harder than what it looks like.
Okay. So it's not just playing with stickers like everyone else thinks, huh?
It is not.
Okay. All right, so next you're going to put down your doll. Let's put your dolls down and then we'll just slide it up just a little bit so everybody can see. She is super cute. That is Chandra, Shandra, from the website. And I love her red purse. I feel like that is very like Valentine vibes.
Got my guy here.
You didn't want to just use girls?
No, we got to add a guy this time. This can't be all girly.
Okay. That's cute. So they're what, going like on a date?
Date night.
Okay.
Gotta love a good date night. We're due for one, matter of fact.
We are due for one. Okay, got a little love between them. Little hearts. That's cute. I like the way you're thinking with that.
I think we're gonna go with
Maybe we'll come back to that one.
Okay.
Because then you can kind of make sure it's even. I'm proud of you for doing this.
I'm proud of myself for doing this. Okay, I think that sticker's a little off, but hey.
That's okay. As long as you just kind of stick on the lines and then I can write in it.
I'm trying here. I'm trying.
Make sure you space them out a little bit.
That is really crooked.
Let me see.
That is really crooked.
It's okay. It's okay. You don't do this on a regular basis, so whatever you do is going to be perfect to me.
Okay. We're moving along.
Yep.
We're moving along.
Because it's our planner and I can do what I want. And you're getting worse.
Worse and worse.
Okay, try to bring it back to the right just a little bit. You got this. I got faith in you.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Doing good.
I need all of your friends not to laugh.
Okay.
All right. How's that?
That looks good. That looks good.
Okay.
All right. What you want to do next?
I think I'm going up top here.
And a banner.
Go up top.
And if you need to, hold on a second. If you need to bring it close to you, just to make sure it's straight, do that. And then we'll show them, we'll slide it back up.
Okay.
Because I am blind myself and I do it all the time. So just lay your sticker down, get your corner right. Okay, so we just put this little red banner. It's like a red metallic banner, shimmer or whatever, metallic.
I'm gonna go with this XO box here.
All right, try to cover up those words. That's cute. Okay. Then what?
I think I should have brought that box down, but
It's okay, just leave it because I've noticed you can always take a sticker off, but it kind of like wrinkles and looks weird.
I'll go here.
Okay.
How's that?
That's cute. I love the little scene already. Where are you gonna put those?
I'll go.
Yeah, maybe bring those down a little bit, and then that'll close the gap.
There.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I want some fancy script here.
That's cute. That's super cute.
More of these little twinkle things.
The twinkle things.
How's that?
Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Look at that. That is so cute.
I did that.
You did that. You did that.
I did that.
That is really cute. I love it. With the flowers. Okay. You proud of it?
I am proud of it. You're my inspiration, so hey.
Okay. I'm here for that. All right, you ready to do another page?
Oh, we do have to do a second page.
You do have to do a second page.
Okay.
You got this. I got faith in you.
I'm going to start. Let's start at the bottom again.
And y'all, I have to tell you, even though this looks so good, he did this by himself. He put this all together by himself. I'm so proud of him. And if you keep doing designs like this, he'll need to come do some spreads in my planner again. No?
We're going to have to discuss that.
Off camera.
Off camera.
That's cute.
Let's see what else we can do with this. We're going to go heart lollipop here.
Okay. Let's slide it up just a little bit so everybody can see it.
I'm going to go love letter here.
Okay. You want to start, where are you going?
I'm going straight for Valentine's Day because we want all the hugs and kisses.
Okay.
That is crooked, but I tried.
It's not that crooked. It's not that crooked. I'll just tilt my head to the side when I'm writing it, and then it'll be straight. How about that? You want to try the banner?
I think I want another banner at the top.
Now, before you do it, you could do it this way. Or what I like to do to make my life simple is I do it upside down. Which one do you think works better? If you do it this way, if it's upside down, or you can do it this way. What do you want to do?
I think I'm going to go right side up.
Okay. Try to put it in the middle.
Do you care if I cover up Monday?
No, because I know the days of the week. I don't mind.
Just asking. Hold on. Let's see.
He's counting the flags, y'all.
I am counting the flags.
Do you want it to hang off the box, like this black line, or do you want it to hang off from the top?
That is a good question.
So if they were side by side, you would have it this way, or you can do it this way, because I think you have something you want to put in this box.
We're going to make it universal, and
You think you have enough space to put what you want in this box?
I will go off the top of the page. I think I'm being influenced to go that way.
Oh, no, you're not. Don't do that. I was asking a question. You do what you want.
Oh.
Don't worry, I drop them all the time. They stick to my pants. Do whatever you want.
They're going to laugh at me.
Why? You're doing so good. First of all, I'm happy you're here because I don't see husbands and boyfriends and stuff doing plans with me. So there's nothing anybody can say.
That is really crooked, but hey.
That's okay.
It is on there.
Yes, and it's perfect. All right, what you got next?
I'm going to go with...
You know, work your way back down, or?
Yes. I have a bouquet here. Because we all know how much you love flowers.
That is true. What's my favorite flower?
A lily.
That's right. I have flowers right now.
Yes.
I have lilies right now. He literally just bought me flowers earlier this week, just because. And they're lilies.
I'll put this here.
Okay.
Probably should have brought that one down, but hey.
It's okay because it gives me room to write. Right? We want it to be functional.
Okay.
So it's perfect. That's Tuesdays. What I do sometimes, I line up from the line, if that helps a little bit, like pick a line and then try to like line the bottom of the box, or if you...
Are you going to be writing in this box?
Probably not.
Okay. So it doesn't matter where I put it.
Just do your thing. Whatever you do, I will work around it. Like, I'm just happy that you're doing it.
Okay. I'll put that there.
Okay.
And I actually like the little candy theme, so I'm going to stick with it.
That's cute.
Okay.
So we have Wednesday and Thursday.
Definitely like the hearts. I think this is what called foil.
Yes, like a foiled sticker. Look at you, knowing a little something, something.
I'm learning a little something. We're gonna stick with that. And here we go. We are doing, you know how you love your dots.
I do. Oh, that's cute. That's so cute.
And we'll do more dots over here.
What do you think?
I'm done.
You're done.
I am done.
You're out of here. That is so cute. Look at that. You did it.
Thank you.
Let me get the planner. And I'll let you pop it in. You can pop it in, right?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, you got it. Remember.
Oh, I know you like to stick your finger.
Yes, please don't get your finger caught in there. So we'll just, yep, and just pop it in.
The Angie special.
The Angie special. All right, and same thing. You're done. So how was it? Give us your honest opinion. Tell me what you think about doing a plan with me on YouTube.
My armpits are a little sweaty right now.
Sweaty. Okay, I'm normally sweaty too.
Definitely harder than I thought as far as lining everything up and, you know, putting it in the right spots. And once you put it down, you can no longer pick it up.
You can, it's just not recommended.
Okay.
It makes you feel like your eyes are a little crooked because I will literally put a box down in the wrong spot. I do it all the time. And I laugh about it and I say it's fine, it's staying, it's crooked, it is what it is.
I would no longer ask you why it takes so long.
Okay. Now, we're going to tell you that we decided to do the wax to kind of let him have an idea of what he wants to put down. He picked the dolls first out of, you know, my collection. And then I'm like, okay, well, what book do you want to use? And I have tons of books. Mm-hmm. And I try to tell him, y'all, that even though you see me with a bunch of books, I still don't have what I want. Because you saw that when you started looking for things, you could not find whatever that vision was.
Yes.
I say that to say, your girl needs more books.
Picking flowers was the hardest.
Hold on, your girl needs more books.
Picking flowers was the hardest.
Why was it the hardest?
Just try to make sure it matched with the theme of the layout.
Okay.
And
She needs more books.
You can have more books.
She needs more books. Okay, that's what I heard.
She's twisting my arm. You can't see it on camera.
Right, bullying him. Bullying him off camera. But yeah, so you finally did your first plan.
Yes.
And guess what? You did your first video. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Like, I'm so hyped that he's here, y'all. Like, this is my guy. And I'm so happy that we decided to do a Valentine spread together.
Yes.
So that's one for the books. Maybe if everyone is nice to him and comment and say hello to him, maybe he'll come back later. Would you do it again?
I might make another special appearance.
Okay. All right. Well, here you go, guys. Of course, we just want to, and I get to say we just want to thank you all for spending some time with us today. Don't forget, come on, if I got to do my ending, you got to do my little hand movements. Come on, you watch all my videos. Change your plans with you. You ready? I'm going to make you do this. We're at the end. Come on, okay. You got it. So don't forget to come on over to Instagram. Come follow me. Hit that button. Let's be friends. My name is Change the Plans with Angie. And let's have a good time over there on Instagram. Also, over here, tap that book. Over here on YouTube, of course, don't forget to like, comment, share it with someone, and subscribe. And let's be friends over here as well. Thank you all so much. Let's see if you can do it. Open your hand. So much for watching. And we will see you all in my next video. Bye.